it's Carly. Welcome to my channel. For today, I'm doing a what I eat in a day. I'm really excited because I love filming these videos. I think these are like my favorite videos to film. This one's going to be a little different though, because I usually do these videos on like one of my day off or like on the weekend where like I don't really have anywhere to go, but I work full time if you didn't know. So basically I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day on a day where I have work. So I have a pretty busy day tomorrow. I have work, I have a meeting after work, I plan on going to the gym after work, well after the meeting. So it's gonna be a pretty busy day and I'm not gonna be able to be home for majority of the day. I'm leaving my house at about 7:30 in the morning and I probably won't get home until 8:30, 9 o'clock. So basically I'm gonna be eating all my meals in the car, but it's okay. So I just want to show you guys how I prep my meals the night before, especially if I know I'm gonna have a long work day. So here we go. So I just want to show you guys the lunchbox that I have for days where I'm literally going to be out all day, because I feel like you need a really good lunchbox to keep your food cold. So this is the one I have. This is the ISO bag and it fits 3 meals in it. It's pink. I love pink. It's super cute. It is pretty big, but I feel like that's good because I could fit all my meals very comfortably in it. And especially if I'm going to be out for like dang near 12 hours, like I need something that's gonna hold my food. So this bag actually holds your food cold for about 12 to 16 hours, which is really good. I'm gonna show you guys all the pockets and stuff because it's lit. So this is the front pocket right here. You could fit your meals in here perfectly. Fits 3. If you're really desperate, like sometimes I put 4 up here, like you could just squeeze it in, but it's really made for 3. So perfect, fits your meal so perfectly, and on top of that it keeps your meal cold for 12 to 16 hours. You get 2 side pockets. You get one here and one here. These side pockets are perfect to put like supplements, protein shakes, your water bottle, and it also will keep it cold. And you get 2 front mesh pockets, and let me tell you, these pockets actually come in handy. I literally, like, before I go to work, I set my phone in here, I put my keys in here, I put chapstick in here. Like, I could just put everything. I don't have to hold everything, plus my lunchbox. Like, literally everything just goes in here, which is perfect. Love that. And you have this front pocket up here, which you could put little snacks in. You could put your fork, your napkin, little, like, any little thing that you want to put up here, you can, and it'll also keep it cold. And you have this handle right here, which is perfect, so you could just like, bye. No, I'm just kidding. But this handle is like perfect, easy to hold. And if you don't like handles, there's also a strap, which you could make longer or shorter. But this is the strap right here, so you could either hold it real cute or put it on the side. Like, it's all up to you. I'm a handle person, so I like to just hold mine like a little purse. So it actually comes with 6 different Tupperwares. You get one 12-ounce, which is the smallest one, which is good for like snacks and stuff. You get 3 16-ounce ones, which is this one. It's a little deeper than the 12-ounce one, and you could put like proteins in here. That's what I use this one for. I put like my protein, or if you have like something on the side, I like this. So you get 3 of those. Then you get one 28-ounce container, which is good for like your meal, dinner, or lunch. It's perfect. It fits everything. And the biggest one, which is the 36-ounce container. And I like to use this one for salads, and you're going to see me do it in the video. I literally put a salad in here. Bomb. Love it. One thing I really like about these Tupperware is if they're not like the normal ones. Like, these are actually sturdier. They're dishwasher safe. They're microwave safe. And you can wash it as many times as you want, and they're not going to get like beat up. You know when you like microwave a Tupperware and it gets like warped? I don't get that with this. So that's perfect. I'm going to be using my ISO bag to put all my meals in, and I'm going to show you guys what I am cooking. I'm literally going to be cooking everything tonight so that I could just grab it in the morning and go about my day. But first, for breakfast, I'm going to be making egg muffins. I literally cut up all my ingredients and put them in the silicone molds, and once I have all my ingredients in there, I pour my egg mixture in there, and I use 3 eggs and I forget how many grams of egg whites, but I'll put it on the screen, mix it all up, add some salt and pepper, pour it into the silicone molds, and I air fry them, and they come out so good. Oh, I also use some cheddar cheese on top as well. I did 2 with cheddar cheese and 2 with feta. So that's what I'm going to be having for breakfast. And once I'm eating them, I'll chime in and show you guys. But this is how the egg muffins came out. They look so good. They are just so scrumptious and delicious. Love them. I ended up putting them in the 16-ounce container. But they smell so good. They are so good. These are the muffins. Can't wait to eat these tomorrow. Like, I want to eat them now. Like, that's the only thing like I hate about meal prepping is like as I'm cooking, I'm just like, ooh, I want to eat this now. Good morning. I'm on my way to work, heading to my car now. I got everything in my bag. I'm literally so tired. It's so early. So I'm usually running late before I go to work, honestly. So I always eat my breakfast in the car. And I'm super excited. I took the silicone off, so it's just like that. That's so juicy. And they're so good. Oh my gosh. I'm about to devour this and then head into work. But this is my breakfast, and I'll have all the calories and everything on the screen like I always do. It's definitely under 200 calories for both, so like I feel like that's pretty good, and it's so tasty and very filling. Like, I'm always full after these 2 egg muffins. I can't even sit here and talk to you guys for too long because I have to hurry up and eat this and go into work. So I'll see you guys when I'm eating lunch. So for lunch, I'm keeping it pretty easy. I'm just making a salad. I found this salad in the grocery store. I've never tried it before, but I feel like it's gonna be good. It's an avocado Caesar salad, and it's 340 calories for the whole thing, which isn't that bad. It's not bad at all. And that's including the dressing. It has tortilla strips in it, corn kernels, grated Parmesan cheese, so all of that in this avocado Caesar dressing as well. So it has like the little corn and tortilla strips in it with this avocado Caesar dressing. Oh my gosh, I literally like can't wait to eat this. I always wash my lettuce. I'm gonna put it in my salad spinner. I literally don't know what I would do without a salad spinner. Like, look at all this water. And it fits all the salad, and this is perfect for me because I feel like it's very important when you have a salad. You need room to shake so that you could get your dressing coated. Am I right? Like, am I the only one who does this? I know everybody who like has salads, you gotta put a little extra space so you could and get your dressing right. Like, am I the only one who does that? I feel like we all do that. Like, there's always that one person at work who's just like me. I'm that one person. But this fits the salad perfectly. It still leaves you a little bit of extra space, so this is the perfect size for salads. So I have some grilled chicken here, which is left over from dinner yesterday, and I'm gonna cut some of this chicken up so that I could have it on my salad tomorrow. So I have all my chicken in here, which is perfect because I'm gonna be tossing this chicken right on my salad. So here is the salad. It looks super good. I can't wait to dig in. I didn't use all the corn and tortilla strips or the dressing. I still have more left. But yeah, here's my salad. So I'm gonna take a nice big bite. I have a little bit of everything on my fork. Pretty good. This salad is higher calorie than the salads that I usually get, like when I usually just make them by myself, but it's fine. Salad is still super cold. The chicken is warm, of course, because I heated it up, but this lunchbox honestly keeps it so cold, and it fits all my meals. And they actually have like a variety of different sizes for this lunchbox, which is really good, so you can make it to fit like your needs. I feel like this lunchbox is just like perfect for me. Perfect for like your average person who like is on a healthy lifestyle, who works out and lives like a busy life, because it's really hard to carry a whole bunch of meals with you and have them stay fresh and cold, especially in like a standard lunchbox. Like I feel like when I was using like my standard lunchbox, it just wasn't like up to par. Like by the end of the day, my ice pack was like pretty warm with my old lunchbox, but with this one, it's not. This ice pack is like really, really cold, and I love it. So after the salad, I'm gonna eat my fruit. If I don't eat the whole thing, I'll probably just eat half and eat the rest for dinner, but it depends. I might eat the whole thing, who knows. So for dinner, I'm gonna be making some air fried chicken wings, broccoli, and some air fried potatoes. Yes! Super excited for this one. I literally buy this huge thing of broccoli, and sometimes I finish the whole bag in like a week and a half. I love broccoli, it's like my thing. But it's a huge bag of broccoli, and I air fry my broccoli. Do you guys air fry your broccoli? I like air fried broccoli. It's like tender inside but crispy outside. It's like the perfect little balance. So I'm air frying everything actually. I'm air frying the broccoli, I'm air frying the potatoes, and I'm gonna air fry the chicken wings. These are the potatoes that I like to use. It's literally 70 calories for about 110 grams. So like, hello. I'm adding my chicken wings in my air fryer. So I have 5 chicken wings. So I'm just seasoning up my potatoes. I used some salt, Montreal chicken seasoning, garlic powder, and more spice Cajun seasoning. And I just mix it all up and add it into the air fryer. After that, I have my broccoli, and I use the same seasonings, a little bit of oil, the salt, pepper, actually no pepper, salt, Montreal chicken seasoning, garlic, and the more spice seasoning. Mix it all up, and I also add that into my air fryer. Once it's all done, I just start plating everything. I just put my broccoli and my chicken wings and my potatoes in the Tupperware, and this is actually the 28-ounce Tupperware, and it fits this meal perfectly. So for my snack, I'm making a fruit salad with just strawberries, blueberries, and some green grapes. And for my second snack, I'm going to have Good Thins. They're made out of corn. They're like 120 calories. They're so good, with some Laughing Cow cheese. And this is everything that I eat for the day. Everything just looks so yummy. This is basically everything that I'm going to eat. And I'm going to pack all of this food into my bag. It's a lot of food, and we're gonna make it fit. I have a coupon code for you guys, CarlyT35. If you use it, you will save 35% off of your entire order. It's on the screen, and it'll also be down below in the description for you guys. So I didn't end up showing myself eating the Good Thins and the rest of my fruit salad because I was in my classroom, and obviously I can't really film in there. So I ate that during work. I actually ended up coming home early. It's 8 o'clock right now. I didn't end up going to the gym. I'm just so tired and hungry, and I just wanted to go home. Like honestly, like I was over it after this meeting, so I just ran home, and now I'm going to eat dinner, which I'm really excited about because this meal I already know it's like fire. So here we go. This is the meal, and oh god. So good. So I'm gonna finish eating my dinner, and I will come back to give you like the calorie breakdown and my macros and stuff like that. So I'll see you when I'm done. I just wanted to do like a little calorie breakdown for you guys, like I always do at the end of my what I eat in the days. I had 1,363 calories for the day. My calorie goal is 1,400, so you know I'm a little off, but honestly I might have like a cookie or like a popsicle or something. So I will put the macros on the screen and also like the calorie breakdown for each meal. so you guys could see. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming it. You know, I love doing my little what I eat in the days, especially my little work edition. If you're interested in the lunchbox, make sure you check out the link in the description. Everything will be down there for you guys, like all the information you need. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, loves.